What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Coach K. Got a topic I want to bring up to you guys. I work on. I was in my Toastmasters class last night, and it was really kind of dawned on me to do a video for 30 days, a 30-day challenge, basically, about what if. What if? And what if pretty much follows behind a positive statement or a positive thing, a goal, a dream you want to accomplish. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna start a 30-day challenge of what if. So your participation is definitely needed in this. I think it'll help also too with your imagination, also to your visualization. To visualize the thing or the dream and the things that you want to accomplish in your life. And it definitely starts with you working this, believing this, or thinking about what possible good could happen to you and for your life and for your family. So pretty much I put out a video every day, like I said, on different things. What if? If you'd like to leave a comment below this video, leave a comment and tell me what your what if is. Tell others what your what if is. Give me some ideas. Give others ideas, things to think about in order to achieve. Because sometimes, a lot of times, we all have some of the same dreams and sometimes the same goals. And we definitely can reach those goals faster if we're working together in agreement or getting in the same environment to help those to get on that same page to accomplish their goals and dreams. So pretty much it goes like this. I would say in a video, I will make a video like close your eyes. And I want you to relax. Take a deep breath. In, out. In, out. So when I say out, I want you to breathe out. Let it go. Breathe in. Breathe out. So I want you to get in a relaxed state. I want you to get in a relaxed state, and then I want you to close your eyes. I want you to close your eyes and imagine. Okay, what is it that you want? And you will begin that statement by saying, in your imagination, what if I won the lottery today? What if I won the lottery today? You would think this. You don't say it, you're thinking this. That'd be cool. Ooh, what would I do? What are the things I would do? What organizations would I help? How would I help other people? How would I help my family? What would I do? You do that for about 5 minutes. And you just sit there and feel it. You sit there imagining that, visualizing that over and over again, and just really getting in that state. And once you get in that state, you begin to accept it. See, the whole purpose of this video, or the whole purpose of the what if, is to get you in that state to accomplish that goal or dream or whatever you're trying to accomplish. So once you get into that state, the dream, or the goals that you want to achieve, and after that, you let it go. And that'll be the end of the video. Yep, it's just that simple. So this will help you to achieve some of your goals and dreams, like I said, every day. That's the whole objective of making this video, to make different videos and everything so you can accomplish your goals and dreams, but at the same time help those people that need help to get this thinking on the right page. Don't forget to share this video with family and friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, LeBaron Kennedy. Also to check out my motivation page, Motivation for Life, on Facebook. Really good nuggets and a lot of positive things on there, as well as LeBaron Kennedy on my Facebook page. Coach K Coaching. You need any coaching services, let me know. I'm here. I can help you change your life mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. But at the same time, share this with someone that needs this video, and stay tuned. Every Friday, that video will be up. Well, actually, every day. There's 30 days. So today is what? Today is what? September the 7th. No, October the 7th. I'm trying to get there. But anyway, it's going to end on October the 7th because this is the first video. But it will end on, what is this? August, September. Yeah, September 7th. Because that'll be 30 days. So I'm going to do 30 days of what if. What if visualizations of different things. And I want to get your feedback. I want to know what ifs do you want to accomplish? Like, what if I had this salary? What if I got the job of my dreams? What if I got this car, this Mustang, gray Mustang, fully loaded, paid in full? What if my house was paid off? What if I wasn't sick? What if I can beat cancer? That's right. What if I can beat cancer? What if, whatever you want to accomplish and whatever dream you want to accomplish, that's what I want you to imagine. That's what I want you to visualize. Things you want to accomplish in your life today. Because I guarantee you, if you get your mind there, you get yourself in the right environment, you'll be at the right place at the right time, your life will change. But you got to continue to do it every day. You got to do it for 30 days, over and over again, until you accomplish your goal and dream. So remember, this is Coach K. Remember, speak over your day. This is the day which the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I will rejoice and be glad in it. I believe this is going to be a wonderful day. I believe I can successfully handle all challenges that may arise. I feel good mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. I am grateful for all that I have, all that I shall have. Things will not fall apart. God is here. He is within me. And we'll give him strength to see it through. I thank God for every